Horsetail, scientifically known as Equisetum avens, is a perennial plant belonging to the Equisetaceae family, an ancient group of plants dating back over 100 million years. It thrives in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 8, making it well-suited for temperate regions across North America, Europe, and Asia. Horsetail prefers moist habitats, often growing along stream banks, ditches, wetlands, and forest edges. It can tolerate a range of soil types, but thrives best in clayey or sandy, well-drained soils. However, the plant is known to be quite hardy and can withstand adverse growing conditions. Identification. Horsetail is easily recognized by its jointed, hollow stems, which appear similar to bamboo. The stems are green and ribbed, growing in dense clusters, and they can reach a height of 2 to 4 feet. Horsetail lacks traditional leaves and flowers. Instead, it reproduces via spores, produced from cone-like structures at the tips of the stems. There are 2 types of stems: fertile stems, which are beige and bear spore-producing cones, and sterile stems, which are green and bushy, resembling a bottle brush or a horse's tail, hence the name. Edible parts and uses. While not commonly used as a food source today, horsetail has been traditionally consumed in various cultures. The young fertile shoots of horsetail, before they harden, can be boiled or steamed and eaten similarly to asparagus. However, due to its high silica content and somewhat bitter taste, its culinary uses are limited. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. Horsetail is valued primarily for its medicinal uses, with its aerial parts, stems, being the most commonly used. The plant is rich in silica, flavonoids, alkaloids, and minerals such as potassium and manganese, making it highly beneficial for various health conditions. Silica content. Horsetail is one of the richest plant sources of silica, a vital mineral for maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, bones, and teeth. Silica also stimulates collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and prevent signs of aging, such as wrinkles and sagging. Astringent and styptic. The plant acts as an astringent, helping to tighten tissues and promote healing. Its styptic properties aid in stopping bleeding, both internally and externally. For centuries, horsetail has been used to treat wounds, cuts, and abrasions due to its ability to stop bleeding and promote the formation of clots. Diuretic and kidney health. Horsetail has potent diuretic properties, meaning it increases the production of urine, helping to flush out excess water and toxins from the body. This makes it useful in treating conditions such as edema, water retention, kidney stones, and bladder issues, including urinary tract infections, UTIs. It can reduce inflammation and irritation in the urinary tract and is often used for individuals with frequent urination issues. Bone, hair, and teeth. Health. Due to its high silica content, horsetail supports the structural health of bones, teeth, hair, and nails. It is particularly effective in strengthening bones and may aid in the healing process for fractures and osteoporosis by supporting bone density. It is also commonly used to promote hair growth and reduce hair thinning. Collagen production and skin health. Silica plays a role in collagen synthesis, which is vital for maintaining healthy, youthful skin. Horsetail may help reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and age-related sagging by boosting collagen production, making it a popular ingredient in anti-aging skincare products. Infections and inflammatory conditions. Horsetail's antimicrobial properties make it useful in treating infections, particularly in the skin, such as foot fungus, sore throats, and respiratory issues like bronchitis and nasal congestion. It is also beneficial in soothing inflammation throughout the body, including joint pain and swelling from arthritis. Immune boosting and cognitive benefits. Horsetail's rich composition of antioxidants helps boost the immune system, making it more resistant to infections and illnesses. Additionally, the plant may enhance brain function, improving cognition, memory, and focus, potentially supporting people with neurodegenerative conditions. Respiratory ailments. Horsetail is traditionally used to alleviate bronchitis, sore throats, and congestion, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and astringent properties. It can be made into teas or gargles to relieve respiratory discomfort. Diabetes management. There is some evidence suggesting that horsetail may help lower blood sugar levels, making it a potential aid for individuals with diabetes. However, its use in this area should be done cautiously and under medical supervision due to the potential for adverse effects. How and when to harvest. Horsetail should be harvested when the green, sterile stems are fully grown, typically in late spring or early summer. To preserve its medicinal qualities, the aerial parts should be dried in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. It is important to avoid harvesting horsetail from areas contaminated with industrial pollutants or pesticides, as the plant absorbs toxins from its environment. Cautions and side effects. While horsetail offers numerous health benefits, it should be used with caution, in moderate doses, and only for limited times, less than 2 months. Some of the potential risks include thiamine deficiency. Horsetail contains thiaminase, an enzyme that breaks down thiamine, vitamin B1. Prolonged use can lead to a deficiency, resulting in neurological symptoms like fatigue, confusion, and muscle weakness. Potassium deficiency. Its strong diuretic effect can cause the body to lose significant amounts of potassium, leading to electrolyte imbalances, muscle cramps, and cardiovascular issues. Kidney irritation. Although it can help with kidney issues, long-term use may irritate the kidneys or worsen pre-existing kidney conditions. Lowered blood sugar levels. Horsetail can lower blood sugar, so it should be used cautiously by people with diabetes or those prone to hypoglycemia, as it may enhance the effects of diabetes medications. Nicotine toxicity. Horsetail contains small amounts of nicotine, and excessive consumption may lead to nicotine toxicity, especially in those who are sensitive to nicotine. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Horsetail taken internally should be avoided by pregnant and breastfeeding women due to its potential toxicity and the risk of depleting essential nutrients like thiamine. Harvesting concerns. Due to its ability to absorb environmental toxins, it is crucial to ensure that horsetail is harvested from clean, unpolluted areas. This will minimize the risk of heavy metal or pesticide contamination. Horsetail is a versatile herb with a long history of use in traditional medicine. Its high silica content, diuretic, astringent, and antimicrobial properties make it a powerful remedy for various health issues, from bone and hair health to wound healing, respiratory ailments, and more. However, due to its potential side effects, horsetail should be used in moderation and with awareness of its risks, especially for individuals with pre-existing conditions or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. When used appropriately, horsetail can be a valuable addition to any herbal medicine cabinet.